I am here for the wrap-up of the review of the CYC Hunter. I'm going to give you a quick overview of the bike, and then I'll take it for a ride. I had knee replacement surgery of my second knee, my left knee. The right was done about a year ago, just about a couple of weeks ago, maybe 3-4 weeks ago. So I'm not in a position to really pedal, but I can certainly take you on a little ride with the bike, and you can, judge some things for yourself. I'm going to flip the camera around now. We're going to do an overview of the bike. So here's the CYC Hunter, the bike that I was longing to get. You see the branding here, right next to the 7-speed Shimano shifter. It's got that really nice rear shock in here that allows you to have a real comfortable ride. Rear fender. It's got a brake and signals on the back. The seat is decently long but very comfortable. Nice long kickstand. It is dual battery, right? And I'm going to examine that some more with you for a bit. Just go through the handlebar. Handlebar shows you it's got the on, the up and down for the modes. It's got headlamps. It's got horn. The bike is off right now, so I'll turn on in a second for you to see. It's got disc brakes. It's got the shifter. I'm sorry if I'm moving a little fast. It's cold out here. It's probably 20-something degrees right now in New York. Coming around to the front. Here's your nice retro headlamp and front fender. Going to go back to the batteries so you can see them. There's a port. Let me show you this one. That's the charging port. Whoop, I just knocked the thing off. I hope that didn't break. There and there. And it has each battery has a battery indicator to see the charge, and that says 3, which is strange because I did fill it, but they've been sitting for a while. I did charge them full, but they've been sitting for a while. There's no shock adjustment on it here, right here. There's no shock adjustment. Beautiful finish. Got your information right here. It's a beautiful bike. I'm gonna, in front of you, rip off this for the first time. Okay, stuff in my pocket, not to litter. And it tells you, warning, reminder, there are 4 keys that are included. The other 3 keys are in the tool bag, but all 4 were hanging here. There's 2 here, and I have 2 in my pocket. Here's your signal indicators, your gauges. I'm going to raise this up so you can see the screen as I power on the display. Display is on, right? And I can put the light on for you to see. There's the light. All right. I'm going to turn on the signal indicator so you can see it at the back. Very nice LED that goes this way. And of course, if I hit the brakes, it's a brake light. But I'm one person, so that's kind of hard to do. Also has a horn. Just a regular sounding horn, but it's okay. So we're going to take this for a quick ride. And as I said, it'll be not really pedaling because I cannot because of my surgery. But at least for the review, I owe you to take you on a ride and for you to check it out. So stand by. Let me mount this camera, and I'll be right back. All right, folks, so here we go. We're going to do a quick ride with the Cycrown CYC Hunter. I hope my camera holds up. It is really cold out here, and I am cold. My hands are freezing. Yes, I do not have a helmet on. Do not follow what I'm doing. I'm doing this because let me fix the camera. I'm just going around the block to take this for a test ride, but normally I ride with a helmet. You'll see some of my reviews where I have not. Again, I would not advise anybody to follow what I'm doing. I'm just doing this, like I said, because we need this review. I am freezing cold as I do this. The bike is comfortable, it's smooth. The max speed is 20, just above 20. I'm at like 21 miles an hour right now. I think it can do a bit more, but I can't try that now to give you that. And I do think that there are ways, a lot of these bikes are limited for location. So I probably have ways, which I'm not recommending that you do. I'm in New York, but there's probably ways that you can get a bit more speed out of it. So I'm gonna almost wrap this up. It is bitterly cold. If it is 20 something and standing still, understand as I accelerate how hot it is. How hot. I'm getting delirious. How cold it is. It's cold. Let me gun it for the full thing here. 16.5, 17.1, 18.2, 19.7, 20.20, 21.8, 22, 23. So I can probably get 25 out of it, the way it is right now. But hope you enjoyed a little quick ride around the coal block. It is cold in New York. I'll catch you soon when the weather warms up with some more reviews. Until then, this is the Cycrown CYC Hunter. Very comfortable, very nice bike to ride. You can't go wrong if you purchase this bike. So stay tuned until the next time for the next one. Catch you later on.